Hey there, are you frustrated by the lack of support entrepreneurs have since we're in business for ourselves? There's so many things that fall on our shoulders, so many decisions to make, so many balancing acts to do with our personal lives. How can you do it all and stay stress free? Today, we're going to talk about things you can do to help eliminate some of the stresses and how to make it so you're running a business that feels really good to you, where you can be decisive, set boundaries, and really be in a space where you are coming from your heart and serving your customers and clients. My name is Tara, and I've been a business strategist for about 10 years. Recently, I shifted my business into more of an aligned business where I am showing up 100% authentically for my clients and for myself. And I have to tell you that making this shift has made a huge difference in my business. And that's why I want to share all of this with everybody who is watching so that you can embrace and be confident in sharing who you are with others around you. Today, I do want to talk about the stressors that come in business because we have this opportunity to learn and grow together. And quite often, entrepreneurs and business owners are either by themselves or in a partnership, and they feel quite alone because you're not in this big conglomerate. You don't have other people that are giving you the rules. You have to wing it all on your own, and you don't necessarily want to do that. That's where business strategists like myself come in to help guide you through. So let's talk about some scenarios that you might be seeing in your business and in your life. You might be finding that you have customers that don't want to pay you your value, don't see your value, or are always questioning everything you do. It would be wonderful if you could really consider if this is the right customer or client for you and how you'd be able to serve them in a better way if it is. If it isn't, we need to start looking at your marketing so that you're already kind of weeding these customers and clients out before they get to the point of purchase. And I know this sounds contradictory because you want to make some money, you want to be in business to make money, but you do want to make it in a way that feels good to you. And if you have customers and clients coming to you that don't feel good to you, be okay with letting them go and finding someone who can serve them in a better way. The other thing you might find is that you're stressed out because you don't have enough time for everything. You don't have enough time to be at home with your family. You don't have enough time to be in your business and get things done. And you feel like you're burning the candle at both ends. Now, if you're at this stage of your business, hopefully you're making some money and you might want to consider handing off to some of the tasks that don't need to be as involved by you to somebody else. Find yourself a VA, a social media manager, whoever it might be, to help take some of that workload off of you. It might mean that you still continue your business, but you have somebody come and clean your house every now and then. So you do things to help you so that you can live in a way that you feel fulfilled. I hope it's helpful for you to recognize that in these areas, you are not alone. There are ways that you can navigate your business to make it so you don't feel so alone. And when things come up in business, that you have the support system that is really there who understands what you're going through. One of the ways you can do that is by working with a strategist like myself. So if you go down into the description, you'll find out more on ways that you can work with me. I want you to consider doing a few things and seeing how it helps you in your business. First of all, start recognizing all of the things that are going right for you in your business. What is it that is working really, really well? The second thing is to look at those who are around you and who support you. Start figuring out where your support system is. The third thing is going to be to start figuring out what you can do for yourself so that you're starting the day in the right way. Some people do yoga, some people do journaling, some do meditation. I have my own 10-minute system that helps align me with my energy and my thought processes and my gratitude, because doing those things and taking the time for our own self care, our self worth, appreciation of who we are, and knowing that we're worthy is so important. And us having boundaries and having resilience in our business in a way that we feel totally connected, and that any side talk, any suggestions, anything that isn't going right can be overcome because we find that resilience and we become more resourceful in business and in life. And I hope that you can see the bigger picture of how valuable it is not just to work on the steps in your business, but to have the right support system and the right self worth in place so that your business can really flourish in a way that works for you. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I hope you've enjoyed it and that you have a fantastic week. We'll see you again next week. Bye.